Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I just have a very quick announcement to make. I want to create a new Review Your Store series. If you followed me around for some time, you probably remember that around 1 year ago or so, I had one of these where I had a look at your stores and told you like what you can improve. And I want to make a new one of those. If you guys want me to review your store, then please comment it below here with your store name and probably some more information like how well you're doing or how long you have been in the game or whatever, and I will then pick like 3 to 5 stores depending on how much time we have, and I will review them in the video next week. So guys, if you want me to look at your store in the next video, then please comment it below right now. Of course, I would also really appreciate it if you like this video and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of these reviews out. Even if you don't get picked, I'm sure that you can learn a lot understanding why other stores are not performing that well or how they could perform better. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the store review videos. Until then, bye bye and all the best.